Got my ground beef. Look at that. Pay attention now. Look at this. We want to make a hole in this. Okay. We made sure we have a cavity in there. We're gonna put our beautiful filling. Now, I have my elbow noodles, okay, which I cooked in milk until it dries out. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more. This is will cook in milk and salt. I have here my cheddar. Put a nice amount of cheddar. And my Colby Jack. You can use Gruyere or you can use only Monterey Jack if for your mac and cheese. But this is my version, you know, and it's so good and easy. Look at that. All right, you give it a nice mix. Make sure all the cheese gets melted. Look at it melting already. There you go. Okay, look at this cheesy goodness. Oh my God. Wow. Okay, now we spread it in there. Look at this.
Oh my God. This is incredible.
Check these out. Okay.
What?
That's about the quantity you need. Put it just like this. Make sure it's all nice and united. I have my Velveeta here. Okay. I'm gonna cut 2 nice strips of Velveeta and cut them in half as well. Just like that. Voila. Put this baby right in there.
Wow.
Okay. Wow, just like this. There you go. That's all you need. Okay, now let's put another layer, just like this, and slide it under there. And now we close this. Okay, we carefully close this. There you go, look at that. See? Wanna do your best to enclose all the goodness of mac and cheese in there.
What?
For that gooey feeling.
It's like Play-Doh. Like you could just totally manipulate it.
Yeah, you can make all kinds of shape you want. But this is for a big party, you know? So we want to make sure we have a nice cut.
This
Okay.
actually looks really easy. I feel like anyone could do this.
Yeah, you see, I just made some mac and cheese with a couple ingredients, you know, in the same pan. No need to make bechamel or nothing, you know? You just cook the pasta in the milk, put it in there, Velveeta for creamy center, and ground beef to make this a meaty deliciousness. Look at that.
Wow.
Ta-da!
Oh my gosh.
Now, before we wrap this up, we want to put some butter up because we want that extra flavor in there, you know, to make the season the meat, you know, make it nice and tasty. Just some butter up and some salt. There you go. Okay, you need to season only one side because it's gonna season itself in the oven. And let's close this up. Okay. So we go just like this. Okay. And carefully.
Ooh.
Just like so. Look at that. So easy.
Wow.
If I can do it, you can do it. Okay. Make sure it's tight. There you go.
And you're gonna fit this in a regular sized oven
Yes,
too.
you can fit this in the oven, of course.
Like literally anyone can make this.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay, so I give this bad boy a few more wraps. And to make sure all the steam goes out, just make a few little holes like this. There you go. You know, not too big so like, the paper can still hold it in place. And now let's go in the oven, okay? Wow! Wow! Oh my God! There you go.
Wow.
Okay, just like that. Make it nice and tidy. And now we go in the oven. We want to cook this for at least 90 minutes at 350, okay? Depend on your oven, depend on the quantity you use. Okay, you'll have to figure it out, but that's how much I'm cooking for.
All right, I want to see this fit in there. Wow.
There you go, you see?
I can't
In
believe
any
that.
kitchen you can do this, okay? Okay, look at this. I'm excited to see how it come out.
I'm ready.
Okay, so I took it out the oven and I let it rest for about 20 minutes. Let's start. Okay, use scissors so you don't make a mess. Okay. Cut all this beauty. Let's see. Now we did a big load inside this, so like if it holds up, we're lucky. You know, but we'll see. We really stress this ground beef over here. Let's check this out. Let's see if the beef was nice to us.
Oh my
1, 2, and 3.
Oh
Check this.
my gosh.
Check this out.
What?
Look at that. Yeah, you see it stay in place. No, you got a cut in there, but that looks so nice and juicy. Okay, all right, let's not waste time and cut into this because I want to try it before everybody comes.
So how do you serve this?
You just cut it. You cut it, but I'm gonna cut it from the center so you guys can see.
Okay.
Look. Oh,
Ooh, I want to see that mac and cheese.
check that. Okay. Wow. All right. We grab this knife so I can take a nice piece. Yes! Look at the Velveeta that was in out. Look at this.
Wow.
Oh my God, let me try this right now. How I eat this? Just some ketchup, you can put barbecue sauce, you can put whatever you want. I'm traditional, you know, some ketchup, you know, but first I'm gonna start with this part with the Velveeta
Ooh.
on the mac and cheese. Nice and seasoned, meaty, cheesy, pasty. All right, bon appetit. Bravo!